What if optimal health was about more than just counting calories, taking supplements, or going to the gym? What if there were deeper foundations that helped your body function at its highest potential? For thousands of years, humans have lived connected to the natural world, surrounded by sunlight, clean air, water, and nutrient-rich foods. But there is another element that is often overlooked, an element we cannot see, but that influences everything around us: energy. Because the human body is not only chemical, the human body is also electrical. Your heart beats through electrical signals. Your brain communicates through electrical activity. Your nervous system sends messages throughout your body using electrical impulses. Today we are exploring the 5 essential elements of health, wellness, and longevity, and the fascinating world of frequency wellness. The first essential element of health is nutrition. Food is not just calories. Food is information. Every bite sends signals to your body. These nutrients provide the raw materials needed for cellular repair and energy production. Your body is constantly rebuilding itself. The question is, are you giving your body the quality materials it needs? The goal is not simply eating less. The goal is nourishing your body better. Give your cells the building blocks they need. The second essential element is water. Water is the foundation of life. Your body depends on hydration for nearly every biological process. It helps transport nutrients and supports circulation. It creates the environment where cellular communication takes place. Healthy cells require a healthy environment. The third essential element is sunlight. Sunlight is one of nature's most powerful signals. It helps regulate your body's internal clock, supporting healthy sleep patterns, mood, and biological timing. Modern life has changed our relationship with light. Many people now spend most of their days indoors. Reconnecting with natural light is a simple but powerful step toward wellness. The fourth essential element is oxygen. Every cell in your body requires energy. Inside your cells are mitochondria, the powerhouses that produce ATP, the energy currency of life. Oxygen fuels this process. Healthy oxygen utilization supports brain function and metabolism. Proper breathing helps your body become more efficient. Now we arrive at the fifth element, the element explored in Bryant Meyer's book, PEMF, the fifth element of health. The human body is an electrical system. Your heart, brain, and cells all depend on electrical communication. PEMF stands for Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Technology. It creates pulses designed to interact with the body's natural environment. The goal is to provide supportive electromagnetic signals that may help encourage the body's natural processes. To understand frequency wellness, we need to understand the Earth's own heartbeat, the Schumann resonance. Generated by lightning, the strongest frequency is approximately 7.83 Hz. This is the Earth's natural rhythm. The human body also operates through rhythms. The heart has rhythm, and the brain has measurable electrical patterns. True health is not created by one single solution. It is created by building strong foundations. Nutrition provides the materials. Water creates the environment. Sunlight regulates our biological rhythms. Oxygen fuels our energy. And PEMF explores the electrical nature of life. Together, these 5 elements represent a holistic approach to supporting health and longevity. The future of wellness begins with knowledge. Subscribe to join our community and explore more at PEMFnation.com. Your wellness journey begins with knowledge. The next chapter of health begins with energy.